Hello, good morning, everybody. Spirit wants you to know that you are gifted, that's spiritually gifted. And they say you are getting advice from a good friend. The advice they're giving you is to stay open hearted and open minded. You have laid solid foundations for your own self and your loved ones, and you need to release any guilt from the past. Be in your peace at this time and take care of your body. Your body is an important temple holding your light. They say spirit has your back and you deserve sugar, not salt. You've broken those chains that bind you to jealousy and unhappy feelings, emotions, and these things hold you back. They say it's time now to celebrate, have fun, and enjoy your life. A mystical force is guiding you, and you must trust the wisdom. You are slowly but surely getting ahead, and you creating loyalty, love, and peace in your relationships. You know your own worth now, and you're making yourself a priority. That's not being selfish, that is an important part of life. It's time to collaborate with others. You can always rewrite your story. You've reclaimed your power, and you don't need to seek anyone else's approval. Yes, there are situations, wrong things that must still be made right, and it's small obstacles that we do still have to overcome. But there is a new chapter beginning, and we must embrace the change. Your psychic abilities are getting stronger, so trust your intuition. There has been arguments and battles around you, and they say, be here in the now. They say it's time now for you to move away from these problems and battles that are just causing you confusion. Um, they say this and that is true, but there is always enough. Justice is coming, and they want you to make the change for yourself. Surround yourself with love. There's bright beginnings coming your way, and there's a chain of events that is going to affect your life. Trust that the abundant universe will provide for you. Your loved ones want you to smile, be patient, and trust. Trust the people that are around you.